अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास। आज हम करेंगे PMS 2018 का बुक है और इसके लिए फर्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास अमलगमेट। अमलगमेट मीन टू कंबाइन। And then the second word is boisterous. Boisterous means very noisy. ठीक है, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं एनर्जेटिक। The third word is colossal. Colossal means very big or huge, huge or very large. Then we have debacle. Debacle means sudden and complete failure, sudden or complete failure. And then we have phase. Phase means to disturb or worry. All right. Now we are gonna make these sentences for these words. The first word is amalgamate. So we can say that different cultures in Pakistan amalgamates to form a rich national identity. Different cultures in Pakistan amalgamate to form rich national identity. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. That conveys the meaning of amalgamate. Then the next word is boisterous, and for these we can say that the team became boisterous after winning the match. The team became boisterous on winning the match. Any match, you can say cricket match or football tournament, कुछ भी. ठीक है. Then there is colossal. Colossal mean huge, very large, and that means colossal mean the floods. This is floods. The floods caused colossal damage to Pakistan. Which floods you can mention? The floods of 2022, the floods of 2025, right? And the next word is debacle. हम अक्सर देखते रहते हैं इकोनॉमी डिबैकल कर रही है, ये इस तरह से कुछ. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? डिबैकल. तो इसका सेंटेंस क्या होगा? The project failed due to, fail की जगह पे हम क्या करेंगे? डिबैकल. So the project debacles due to poor policies. Poor policies. And then the word phase. to disturb the criticism does not phase the political leader आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं जिस तरह से हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर उसकी इंटरव्यू के लिए अच्छी प्रिपरेशन थी तो nothing can phase or difficult question can't phase him or her in the interview ठीक है so this is how these are the words from 2018 PMS vocab hopefully you would prepare that thank you